To reverse audio in FL Studio, let's walk through each step. First, you'll want to make sure the audio piece you want to reverse is in your project. Go to the left side of your screen, find the Packs folder, then navigate to the Vocals folder. In this tutorial, I'll use a sample vocal file that came with FL Studio. I'll choose one that says, "I remember that." Let's start by giving it a listen to understand how it sounds originally.
I remember that. I remember that.
Once you're ready, drag this audio file into track 1 of the playlist to start working with it. Now that we have it in track 1, double-click the audio clip. This will open up the sample window where you can adjust settings for this piece. To reverse it, simply look for the reverse option in this window and click it. Now, when you play back the track, you'll hear the audio reversed.
I remember.
If you want to create one version that plays forward and another that plays in reverse, here's how to do that. First, turn off the reverse option in the sample window so the clip is back to its original forward playback. This version will be our forward sample. To create a second version that will be reversed, simply click anywhere on the timeline. After that, click on the waveform icon on the audio clip in track 1. From the drop-down menu, select Make Unique. This duplicates the audio clip, creating a separate version that you can edit independently. Now, double-click the new copy to open the sample window for this version. In the sample window, click Reverse for the second copy. Now you have two versions of the same audio, one that plays forward and another that plays in reverse. Let's give both a listen to hear the effect.
I remember that. I remember.
And that's it. Now you know how to reverse audio and work with both forward and reversed versions in FL Studio.